Guide on how to set up a business Paga merchant account. So what you have to do is you go to your browser, because you cannot do it on your app. So you go to your browser and navigate to mypaga.com. So you click on Paga business and select the get started or register. So you provide the account details. You enter your registered business name, preferred username, active mobile phone number, your email address, and you need to set a very strong password that has to be known to you alone. Then secondly is input your full name and primary contact details. You need to enter your bank verification number to verify your identity. So you log in into your business dashboard and complete the mandatory KYC. There's know your customer section. So update required documents such as your CAC registration papers, the tax details, and valid photo ID. So then submit your details for review. Once verified by the Paga team, your merchant dashboard will switch to active status, allowing you to accept bank deposits, USSD, and online payment. Thank you for watching and good luck with your business account. Have a good day.